Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kat. If you're not, welcome back. So today I don't even know how to introduce this video, to be honest, but this happened today. So I went into Louis Vuitton today. I spoke with my CA and she said she had an item in store that I wanted to have a look at. And you know how that kind of goes. If you want to look at something, you end up buying it. Here's the bag. Here's the box. My proof of purchase. I really do not like the receipts now. Like, it just literally looks like receipts that you just get from Target or Kmart. Like, it's not even fancy. They fade easily and I just don't understand why they would do something like that. Anyway, so jumping in to the unboxing. I already took off the ribbon. Yeah, so she put it in a shoebox. You guys probably don't know this unless you follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle. It's somewhere on the bottom screen always. So this is the item. This was never really on my radar, and to be honest, I didn't like this bag when it initially was released, but this bag has grown on me. And anyways, yeah, so I have it all here. The multi-pochette accessoire. I did it. I know she literally said that she had it in stock and it was brand new, no one's touched it, and she doesn't know when she's gonna get another one in. As you know, here's a gold little chain that it comes with. It's gorgeous. I get sucked into it. So I'm just connecting all of it together. Since this bag was never really on my radar, how gorgeous is this color? Like, it's a gorgeous khaki color. Sorry, it's upside down. I was really wanting the round coin purse, but they're discontinued now. And I was also wanting the mini pochette in the monogram, but it's not available. It's not discontinued, but you can't order it at the moment. She doesn't know when it's going to be orderable again, so I was like, you know what? She told me this is in. She put it aside for me, and I went in today to have a look at it, and I honestly could not leave without it. I love the strap. I have so many bags that I really want to try with this strap. Like, they do have this strap for sale and the round coin purse for, I think it's going for 1,290 Australian dollars. That's just for the strap and the coin purse. But I was like, you know what, I might as well grab the full shebang. So it's pretty much all the items that I was looking for in kind of one bag. I'll go ahead and show you like how it looks like on, but yes, I'm actually so surprised with it. It's so gorgeous. Yeah, so I'll quickly go ahead and show you how it looks on, and also how it looks like with other bags too, like how I'll put the straps with other bags as well. Okay, so that's where it drops on the shortest setting on me, just right there. How it looks like on me on the longest setting, crossbody. So if you're my size, that's where it's going to hit on you. If you're smaller than me, obviously it'll be longer, but yeah. Okay, so here's the strap of the Palm Springs mini on the longest setting, and I'll adjust it next for the way that I want to wear it. So that's how I put the bag diagonally. That's how that one looks diagonally on the Palm Springs mini. Still with the coin purse, you can take that one off, but that's how that looks. And this is on the longest setting. Next off is with the Favorite PM. You can see that it's a bit more patina at the bottom, but that's how it looks like on, once again, on the longest setting. And lastly is my Pochette Métis with this strap. Once again, it's on the longest setting, and that's how it sits on me. Quite nice. Just for the kicks, this is what it looks like on the Nano Speedy. Of course, I tuck the straps in, but that's how that one looks like with the Nano Speedy. It's quite cute. So another way you can wear it is with the Pochette Métis strap. And all I did was I just hooked this onto the little buckle there. So it gives it more of like a kind of more formal-ish way. So you can wear it like going out to dinner without it being too casual looking with the canvas strap. So that's how that looks. I don't mind this look actually, it's quite nice. So nice. So that's with the Pochette Métis strap. Anyway guys, that's all the bag options that I have for this multi-pochette accessoire with the straps and my other bags. I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, I wanted to quickly show you what I have in my bag at the moment and what can fit in this bag. So I have some stuff in it, so you can see it's a bit distorted because I do have the mini pochette in there. So I'll go ahead and open that so you can see. So I have the mini pochette, and I have obviously my items in there. I have my khakis in there. And in the front pocket, all I have in the front pocket is just my gym fob and a perfume. So for the purpose of this video, I'm using my phone at the moment, so I'm just going to use this phone case. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and this will fit in the front pocket with ease. The thing is with this bag, it's quite, I'd say, just slim, so you can't really fit your whole life into it. So also in this little pouch here, you can probably fit your AirPods in there, but I just currently have my work keys, and you can actually just use it as a coin purse as well. So what I was thinking is that I might just empty out the items that I have in here and just have it in my front pouch with my phone. So I just have my gloss, Advil, some perfumes, my inhaler, and my tweezers and lash glue, and I might just put my perfume in there as well. So that's the front pouch, and the back pouch I'll put my phone. There's also a slip pocket at the back here. Put my phone, I'll put my keys in there, and my keys just like that. Still have room on the edge. I want to see if my brush will fit in there. I'm not sure if that'll work. Might be a bit too bulky. Yeah, so there was a bit of a struggle there. So I might just take my brush out. And so they're both nice and smooth. So I pretty much took out the contents of my mini pochette because it does tend to take up some room, and just put it inside the front pocket. So that's pretty much what I have in my multi-pochette accessoire, and pretty much what I will bring on a day-to-day basis with me. Alrighties my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing and mod shots of different bags. And I actually kind of love, I haven't really seen this on like YouTube or anything, but I'm sure someone's done it already, but I love the Pochette Métis strap on the actual Pochette accessoire. It just gives it that kind of more formal-ish look to it. And then you can obviously add, if you wanted to, the coin purse to it as well, like just hook it onto the end there, so it just has that look but different look as well. But yeah, that's the Pochette Métis strap, like just that monogram strap, adjustable strap too. Anyways, I hope you dolls enjoyed my little video on my new multi-pochette accessoire. I'll let you know how I go within the next couple of weeks, if I like it, see how it goes with my lifestyle. So anyways, I want to say a big thanks to all my OG babes. I love you all so much. Mwah. Also, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments down below what I should do next. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of when I upload next. So I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys!
Angel boy, don't say that. Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance.